Hello guys, in this video just going to explain how to fix audio issue while your video is playing. Sometimes right, we might have selected wrong speakers, output. So before that, try to ensure that your monitor is having full sound. Okay, verify that. Even right on your Windows PC, just increase the sound and verify. And next thing, select the audio track and press bracket key in your keyboard to increase the sound, or double click the audio track and go to this audio clip mixture. Okay, here select the audio tracks. So audio track is selected. So here you can increase your audio. After increasing the volume, just verify your audio track. Still you are not getting the sound, then you need to change the output. So for that you need to go to edit and go to preferences, and here we need to choose audio hardware. Under audio hardware, right, default input is selected, no input, but this is for mic, and default output is selected, my monitor speaker. And you need to change your speaker, actual speaker. For example, if you have connected Bluetooth headset, you need to choose according to that. So give yes after a selection, and this should be same. Then give OK. Now verify your audio track. Definitely the audio issue will be solved. So you need to go to edit, preferences, audio hardware. Here you need to select your speaker. The default output, you need to set your speaker here. So that's it friends. Hope this video is very helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please provide comments and feedback to media forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.